Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series of the job role Plumber General for Class 10, Unit 5, performing various plumbing related operations and procedure. In this video, you will learn about repair of fixture, stop wall. Before we start repair of fixture, student, do you know what is plumbing fixture? Plumbing fixture is a part that is connected to a plumbing system and carries water through a building. A fixture can be fixed into walls or the floor. Now, we take plumbing fixtures in detail so you can understand this topic very clearly. Any structure's plumbing can be a complicated system of pipes, fittings and access points. Water damage, corrosion and other sorts of damage can result from a damaged or leaky faucet. So it's better to avoid these circumstances by contacting for aid as soon as a problem arises. When a problem within a plumbing fixtures or faucet emerges, trained plumbers can handle repairs, replacement or new model installation. Some fixtures such as tap, bathtub, bibcock and stop wall and many more. So now we take plumbing fixtures stop wall. What is a stop wall? A stop wall is a type of wall that regulates the flow of liquid or gas. The wall's main feature is that it is designed to totally stop the flow when fully closed. It is also known as stop tap or stop cock. It is similar in construction to a bibcock, except that it is placed in the pipeline instead of the outlet. The defects commonly encountered during the functioning of the stop wall, its causes and remedial measures to be taken. Now, we look at the defects of stop wall. First one, water drips from the stop wall even after it is firmly closed. Second, water flows from around the spindles or stuffing box screw. Third one, it is difficult to turn on or off the stop wall. Fourth, the spindle slips down continuously when the stop wall is turned and the tap does not close. Now student, can you think causes of stop wall? Yes, there are many causes of stop wall. Here we focus on some causes of stop wall. First one, worn out or defective washers. Second one, accumulation of grit, dust or other foreign matters. Third one, defective stop wall seat. Fourth one, the gland nut is loose. Fifth one, the packing in the stuffing box is defective. Sixth one, the packing in the stuffing box is dry. Seventh one, the spindle is bent. Eighth one, the spindle thread is worn out. Okay students, now we talk about repair of fixtures, especially stop wall. Here is the procedure to be applied for repairing. First, we have to find exactly where the stop wall or tap is leaking. Mostly, there could be three possible places where a stop tap may leak. First one, compression nuts. Second one, gland nut. Third, head gear joint. Now, we take first point, compression nuts. If water is leaking from one of the two compression nuts, then tighten the nuts and this should stop the leakage. Grip the body of the tap with water pump pliers and then tighten the nut by turning it clockwise using a spanner. If leakage does not stop, then wrap some polytetrafluoroethylene PTFE tape, Teflon or plumber's tape around the nut. Prior to repairing, the water supply should be stopped. Once this is done, you can loosen the nut by turning it anti-clockwise. Wrap some PTFE polytetrafluoroethylene tape around the nut and then retighten the nut. Second one, gland nut. If the leak is on the gland nut, first try tightening the gland nut with a spanner. This may stop the water from leaking. The gland nut can be removed and repacked without the water being isolated. It is advisable to use two suitable spanners, one to hold the large nut on the stop tap and 1 to undo the gland nut. The nut will undo in an anti-clockwise direction. Slide the gland nut up the spindle and then remove any old bits of packing from the gland. If the leak is on the headgear joints, we have to stop the water and then undo the nut and apply some PTFE polytetrafluoroethylene tape to the threads. Third one, headgear joints. A cracked or degraded washer causes a leaking gear head joints. The washer is the mechanism that stops the flow of water and is placed at the base of the spindle. To replace it, turn off the water supply to your home and drain the pipes. Now, here is the procedure of replacing stop wall washer. If water is still leaking through the tap, then it is possible that it is worn out or damaged. Replace the washer in the following manners. First, stop the water supply to the tap. Second, grip the body of the stop tap with a pair of adjustable water pump pliers. Then, with a suitable spanner, turn the large nut in the center of the stop tap anti-clockwise. Third one, then unscrew the handle and assembly from the body of the tap. Fourth one, now remove the rubber washer at the end of the assembly. Fifth one, replace the rubber washer with a new one. This simply pushes onto the end of the assembly. Sixth one, wrap some polytetrafluoroethylene tape around the threads of the assembly. Screw the assembly into the body of stop wall and retighten using the water pump pliers and suitable spanners. So viewers, in this video we have learned about stop wall. The important points we have covered are: first, definition of plumbing fixture; second, meaning of a stop wall; third, defects of a stop wall; fourth, causes of a stop wall; fifth, repair of fixtures; and sixth, procedure of replacing of stop wall washer. So student, see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.